Hello and welcome to this Amcrest support video. Today we're going to show you how to record video with your SkyView drone using the controller. Before you begin, insert a fully charged battery into the drone. Next, insert a micro SD card into the card slot on the underside of the drone. Then power on your drone and pair it with the controller. For more details on drone features, controller overview, and first flight, please see our SkyView Quick Flight Controller tutorial. There are two main scenarios for recording video with your drone. The first and most common scenario will occur after you have initially powered on the drone, taken off, and the drone is in flight. To begin recording while the drone is in the air, press and hold the photo video button for 3 seconds and release. The controller will beep, and a flashing purple LED light will come on under the drone, indicating the drone is actively recording. When recording with the drone, it is imperative to end the recording by pressing and holding the button a second time for 3 seconds to ensure the recording is saved to the micro SD card. The purple light will turn off once recording is ended properly. Please note, if recording is not stopped, the video will not be saved. Additionally, the video will not be saved if the drone's battery is depleted during recording. When the red and green lights begin flashing on the drone, this indicates a low battery. It is recommended to stop the recording soon after to ensure your recording is saved. The second scenario will take place after you have initially powered on the drone, but before taking flight. This scenario would be useful for capturing the drone before and during liftoff. To begin recording while the drone is on the ground, press and hold the photo video button for 3 seconds and release. The controller will beep, and the drone will now be in record mode, but is not yet recording. Press and hold the photo video button a second time to start the recording. A flashing purple light will come on underneath, which indicates the drone is actively recording. If the light does not turn on, press and hold the video button again until the purple light flashes. This ensures the drone is actively recording video. Like the first scenario, it is important to end the recording by pressing and holding the photo video button for 3 seconds a final time to ensure the recording has been properly stopped and is saved to the micro SD card. We hope this video has helped you learn how to properly record video on your SkyView drone using your controller. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to check out our latest products and instructional videos from Amcrest.